guys, so this is kind of like a sick vlog and it's a late one. One, because I did wake up and I'm like, this whole area is swollen. Also, I kind of broke out a lot on this side due to the fact that I've been using, well, I didn't notice it was expired, but apparently it expired, and right now we're gonna go ahead and throw away the expired ones. I did order my new skincare routine, skincare products that I religiously use all the time, so those are coming tomorrow. So we're just gonna go through my skincare products and see which ones are expired, just to throw them out. But I do have, like, this whole area is fucking hurting like a bitch, and I am breaking out like a bitch. I think I'm gonna put one of my acne dot things, but it has been clearing a lot more. But with the product that I got tomorrow, it probably helped it a little bit more. So let's see. Good afternoon, guys. I'm like so sick and like over life right now, but I just received my skincare products, which is, this is my holy grail, like literally my holy grail. And then I did get the dark spot correcting glow serum because we're going to get the skin on the right track. But like I said, yesterday I threw out mostly all of the expired products. Now, I did get a new book because I wanted to see this book. This book was all over my TikTok, and I'm the type of person that I will go on TikTok to see a book aesthetic to see if it aligns with me and it's a good visualization of what the book is going to be, and I would just have mental picture creativity imagination in my head. So I grabbed this book for, especially since it's spring and summer's coming, I grabbed this one, People We Meet on Vacation. I heard it was a good book, so I'm gonna finish this one I have right here. Let me see. Which is the last and final book of the trilogy for the Dreamland Billionaire ones, which is the final offer. After I finish this, I'll probably go ahead and start this one, and then I'll start Atlas, and then I'll read Roses and Thorns, which I already have in the living room. So those are my reading ones. But I have caught attention of this book called The Twisted Love, Hate, Twisted. There's like, it's 4 of the books, but the one that caught me more attention is the one from Twisted Hate. So I want to read Twisted Hate, but I think I should read the order. I don't know. I'm gonna see if we have to read the order or not. But I do have like little pimple patches right here, cause like I said, my skin broke out. When I tell you it broke the fuck out, because I was using things that are not supposed to be used after expired. So yeah, but I'm gonna do my skin routine today, starting with this. I do have one more product that's coming, which is a toner that's sensitive for skin. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna do my facial. I already took my bills. I'm like exhausted because this whole side still hurts like a bitch, and it's very gloomy outside, so that's another one. So yeah, let's do a face routine. When I tell you I am sick, I'm like fucking sick. Like yesterday I was fine, but today I'm like dead, completely fucking dead. So yeah, we still on a recovery to fix our skin, but other than that, we're cooking, chilling. My throat is fucking killing me, but you know, I don't know, I'm tired. And I just woke up from a nap, so I don't know. Why do I keep saying I don't know? I'm gonna just continue watching Stephanie's videos. So okay, so what I'm doing, since I'm cooking, I am going to clean the coffee machine because it's time to be cleaned. So I'm gonna clean it because we need a clean coffee machine. And then I already did my matcha. I switched back to almond milk because of this. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm gonna wash these dishes and also start scrubbing the little bottom part of the puree because it needs it. Okay, so right now I got in these color pencils because I wanted to try different mediums. So I got these right here. There's 72 soft color pencils. I'm actually doing the color palette so I can see the different colors, how they shape and all that. It's very smooth. I'm not gonna hold you, but I went to the library and I went to the anime section and they had like this coloring book, and I want to do that color, doing the book. But I also want to, I've been dipping into the oil pastels colors. So I don't know if I'm gonna buy an oil pastel. I'm not sure, but it is a little bit of a intro to go into oil painting. But I've been wanting to get oil painting, but I heard the smell is very strong, and I live in an apartment, so the chemical is very strong, and I'm still fucking sick. Okay, so it is 2 in the morning already, and I'm gonna end this vlog here. I most definitely have to put my water bottle in the fridge, but yeah, I'm still sick, so probably gonna be a couple of days, and then I'll be feeling better. So good for me, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. This is